guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is my spring makeup tutorial. I do this every year on my channel, and this year it's all drugstore products and it's going to be a pinky, very natural but glowy spring makeup tutorial. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, first of all I'm going to use some primer water. This is the e.l.f. Aqua Primer Mist. Then I'm going in with the NYX Angel Veil Skin Perfecting Primer using my Real Techniques stippling brush. Now in the spring I like to be a bit glowy and fresh, so I'm going in with the Revolution Makeup Conceal and Hydrate Foundation. It's a radiance foundation with medium to full coverage, and mine is in the shade F1. I'm going to be using my Sunday Ivy microfiber makeup sponge to apply it. And then I'm going in with the matching concealer. So this is the Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Radiance Concealer in the shade C1. And I'm going to blend that with my Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge. Then for powder, I'm using my Rimmel Stay Matte Long Lasting Pressed Powder in the shade Transparent. As you can see, I'm nearly at the end of this. I'm going to use my e.l.f. Small Tapered Brush to set my eye area first. Then I'm using my You Spicy 31 brush to set the rest of my face. I'm going to carry on with the rest of my face before I do my eyes. So I'm going to contour first using my NYX HD Blush in the shade Taupe. And I'm using my You Spicy 27 brush. Then for bronzer, I'm using the Milani Silky Matte Bronzing Powder in the shade 01 Sunlight. And I'm going to use my Real Techniques blush brush. Now in the springtime I like to be very pinky, very glowy, so I'm going in with an intense blush today. This is the Colourpop Super Shock Cheek in the shade Prenup. And it's blush, and I'm going in with my Colourpop F1 brush as well, and I'm going to go in with a light hand because it is quite a dark blush, and then I'll build it up if I need to. And then for highlight, I'm using the Colourpop Super Shock Cheek Highlighter in the shade Lunch Money, using my Real Techniques setting brush. Okay, so today I'm going in with the NYX Ultimate Warm Neutrals eyeshadow palette. And using my Morphe R37 brush, I'm going in with this shade here through my crease. And then going in with the same brush on the shade next to it here, which is more of a taupey brown, and I'm popping that through the crease as well. Then using my Morphe M412 brush, I'm going in with this dark brown shade here on the outer corners. I'm then using all those same colours on my lower lash line using my Morphe E18 brush. And then I'm going in with a Colourpop pressed powder eyeshadow, and it's this one here. It's like a champagne type, mauve type, pinky champagne shade, and it's called Starry Eyed. And I'm using my little finger. I'm going to pop that all over the lid. Then I'm going in with my NYX Control Freak Clear Eyebrow Gel. Then I'm just going to quickly set my face using the Colourpop All Star Setting Spray. I spray it up and then I let it drop on me. Then I'm going in with my NYX Slide On Glide On eyeliner pencil in the shade Brown Perfection. And then I'm going to curl my lashes using my Tweezerman eyelash curlers, and I'm going in with my Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. And finally the lipstick, so I'm using the L'Oreal Color Riche Shine Lipstick in the shade 112 Only in Paris. So there you have it, this is my spring makeup tutorial. It's very pink, very glowy. I love the champagne eyes, I love the glossy pink lips, and it was so easy to create and all affordable drugstore products. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you're not already so you can see all my other videos. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!